Ferns are leafy delicate plants that grow in moist areas, usually near streams, creeks, and where there is permanent moisture both in the air and in the soil. Though ferns do not produce flowers and seeds, they come in many fascinating range of color, size, texture, and shapes. Since ferns require very little maintenance, it is an excellent way to use for decorative purpose in and around the house. Ferns are great tool for healing, and so these are used to provide several health benefits. Lungs are an important organ in a human body, as they are responsible every day to bring in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide from the body. However, there are many common lung diseases caused due to infections and genetics like asthma, coughs and tuberculosis. Tea made from ferns like the maidenhair, Christmas fern, and bracken fern are used to cure lung diseases. It is a condition that affects the joints, causing inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Cinnamon fern is used externally to cure rheumatism, and it is consumed for joint pains. Other ferns like sensitive fern and bracken fern are also used to cure arthritis. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which is a protein that helps in carrying oxygen to the body. Another function of the red blood cells is to remove carbon dioxide from the body through the lungs while exhaling. Lady fern, hay-scented fern and maiden fern are rich in iron content, and medicines made from these ferns help in promoting red blood cells production in the body. PMS or premenstrual syndrome occurs before a menstrual cycle, and most of the time it is accompanied with uncomfortable conditions like cramping, mood swings, depression and bloating. Marsh fern and royal fern are loaded with minerals that help in reducing the symptoms caused due to premenstrual syndrome. Indigestion is a common problem that can happen to anyone. Mostly, this occurs due to eating habits or chronic digestive problems, and it results in stomach problems like cramping, gas, diarrhea and constipation. Infusion of crested wood fern, rock cap fern and mountain wood fern helps in improving the indigestion problems. Phosphorus along with calcium are one of the most important minerals required in maintaining strong and healthy bones and teeth. Ferns are packed with minerals like phosphorus, which is necessary to prevent bone loss and diseases such as osteoporosis. Our eyes also get tired and need rest. If proper care is not given to the eyes, then it can cause redness, itching of the eyes and vision problems. Fiddlehead ferns are rich in vitamin A, and using it in one's daily diet is very good to improve eyesight. Boston fern acts as humidifier by purifying the indoor air and eliminating the harmful toxins, thereby helps in reducing health problems and promotes healthy vision. The blood vessels are affected when arteries are narrowed due to the formation of plaque on the walls and make it difficult for blood flow, resulting in heart attack or a stroke. Potassium present in ferns helps in protecting the heart and reducing blood pressure by removing excess sodium from the bloodstream. Thus ferns help in controlling blood pressure, prevent heart attack and stroke. Diabetes is an improper communication between the body and the insulin, which results in high blood glucose and thereby does not allow insulin to break down carbohydrates and remove excess glucose from the system. Maidenhair fern is very good for diabetic patients as it helps in lowering the blood sugar level. Snake or an insect bite can be very painful, and at times it can also lead to death. Immediate medication is very important, and ferns such as cinnamon fern and maidenhair fern are used either to chew, or the poultice is applied on the bite to relieve an individual of the pain. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel, which I update on a regular basis. Thank you for watching.